guys, welcome back to Electronics Wheel, and today we'll be taking an unboxing tour of the nRF52840 single board development kit from Nordic Semiconductors. So this board is a decent little prototype that will help you to get your hands on with Bluetooth 5, Bluetooth mesh, Thread, Zigbee, NFC, and much more features. So without further ado, let's go ahead and unbox this thing up. So it has an electrostatic back packaging. On there we get a warranty manual card. No, it's not warranty. So there we go, we have the board in the electrostatic bag over there. Let's go ahead and unbox it up. Actually, the packaging is quite good. I like the packaging, and it gives a warning also. Oops, things are sticked too hard. Yep, we're getting on it. Yes. So yep, and that is the board itself. So let me take it out. You get the board itself over there, with the NFC antenna over here. This board is a powerful board. Oh, there we go, a jumper. This board is following the Arduino Uno form factor, so if you have any shields that are compatible, you can just plug it on top of this board. And this board is based on Cortex M4 SoC, and it's pretty useful in many purposes. Like it can run the Zephyr RTOS, and I like to run Zephyr. I have used Zephyr many times. It's the best RTOS that from my experience. So guys, there is the NFC antenna connected over there, and going to the other end of the board you got a debug jumper port over there. You got a micro USB cable port over there, a power selector that you can just slide on or off, and here you have a battery selector, the LiPo USB or the onboard. And coming here you got the Cortex M4 SoC. Here you got a boot reset pin. Here you got 4 user buttons, and on the top you have the 4 LEDs that can be programmed using their Sega Embedded Studio. So guys, I will be doing projects with this board, so hope you tune into this channel, and thanks for watching. Happy hacking everyone.